Dear God, how great a marvel, when the army camped on the field of Kosovo. And in that army 9 Jugović brothers, and the 10th, the old Jug Bogdan. The mother of the Jugović prays to God that he may give her the eyes of a falcon and the white wings of a swan, that she may fly to the plain of Kosovo and may see the 9 Jugović brothers and the 10th, the old Jug Bogdan. As she prayed, her prayer was granted. God gave her the eyes of a falcon and the white wings of a swan. Then she flies to the plain of Kosovo. Dead she found the 9 Jugović brothers and the 10th, the old Jug Bogdan. And above them 9 spears of battle. Perched on the spears, falcons 9. Around the spears 9 good steeds, and beside them 9 grim lions. Then did they whinny the 9 good steeds. Then did they roar the 9 grim lions. Then did they scream the 9 falcons. Even then the mother was hard of heart, and from her heart no tear did rise. But she takes the 9 good steeds, and she takes the 9 grim lions, and she takes the 9 falcons. Back she turns to her castle white. From afar her son's wives saw her. A little nearer they came to meet her. There was clamor of 9 widows. There was weeping of 9 orphans. There was neighing of 9 good steeds. There was roaring of 9 grim lions. There was screaming of 9 falcons. Even then the mother was hard of heart, and from her heart no tear did rise. When night was come, and the midnight was there, then the grey horse of Damian groaned. And Damian's mother asked his wife, "Daughter of mine and wife of Damian, what sets the horse of Damian groaning? Can it be hunger for pure white corn? Can it be thirst for water of river Cvjetan?" Then answered the wife of Damian, "It is not hunger for pure white corn. It is not thirst for water of river Cvjetan. It is that Damian hath taught him till midnight to feast on hay, and after midnight to take the road. Now 'tis his master he is mourning, for he will never bear him more." Even then the mother was hard of heart, and from her heart no tear did rise. When morning came and break of dawn, there came flying 2 coal-black ravens, bloody with their wings, up to the shoulders. Round their beaks there clung white foam. And they carried the hand of a hero, and on the hand a wedding ring of gold. They threw it into the mother's lap. The mother of the Jugović took the hand. She turned it round, she fondled it, and then she called the wife of Damian, "Daughter of mine and wife of Damian, couldst thou tell whose hand is this?" Then answered the wife of Damian, "Mother of mine O mother of Damian, this is the hand of our own Damian. For I do know the ring, my mother. At the betrothal, I did have it. The mother took the hand of Damian. She turned it round, she fondled it. Then to the hand she softly spoke, "O my hand, my fresh green apple, where didst thou grow? Where wert thou plucked? 'Twas on my bosom thou didst grow. The plucking 'twas on Kosovo's plain." Speaking, she breathed her soul away. For her 9 sons, the 9 Jugovices, and for the 10th, the old man, Bogdan.